So I'm Michelle Barakat-Johnson. I'm a conjoint Professor of Wound Care and Skin Integrity at Sydney Local Health District and the University of Sydney. And my professional background was very much in chronic wounds and complex wounds. My PhD was on pressure injuries and how to reduce pressure injuries at Sydney Local Health District. In 2014, we had the highest incidence of pressure injuries across the state, and I used an implementation science approach, which was a part of my PhD, to reduce the incidence and prevalence. And I worked with a large group of nurses, doctors, allied health and patients to prevent pressure injuries at Sydney Local Health District. We've been able to prevent a lot of pressure injuries for a number of years. We're the lowest in New South Wales. So my innovation is the Wound Care Command Centre. That's at RPA Virtual at Sydney Local Health District. It's a nurse-led model of care, and our primary aim is to provide prompt, specialised wound care to people who are in need of wound care and can't get in to see either their specialist or GP, or even provide advice to a nursing clinician on the ward around wound care. The idea came about from a home visit to a patient in 2017. This patient had missed a lot of her appointments that were scheduled with the vascular surgeon, and when myself and the team went into her home to do a home visit, we realised why she wasn't able to attend any of those appointments. She couldn't actually walk. She had multiple ulcers. She also had a chronic illness. Even if she was able to get to a vascular surgeon, she wouldn't be able to afford it. So it really made us think about, well, how is it that we could get wound care, prompt, specialised wound care into a person's home? Well, to be recognised as a Trailblazer finalist, it's definitely humbling, and I feel very honoured. This award, though, I need to say, is not just about me, it's about the team. I just actually think that as nurses, we're in the prime position to spot things, to be able to change them, and I believe every opportunity should be that. I believe that innovation doesn't have to be anything big, and it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to begin.